noise in the background, but my god, this knife is dull. But as you guys can see, I got my package from P3 Cars. Custom integrated digital gauges. There's also music, so I hope I don't get demonetized. So it says display, main harness, control box, OBD2 cable, boost sensor, OEM vent, and tubing kit. Want to be featured? Tag us with your high quality photos and videos. Make sure your gauge is in dim mode. I'll definitely do that. Oh god, it's hot in here. So this is the control box. This is the wiring thing. And I guess there are things to splice in, so I don't know if I'd be able to do this all by myself, but yeah. And here is the, oh, it comes with a T thing. Wow, that I did not know. So looks like I don't have to go to AutoZone anymore. That's perfect. But let's open this thingy. Boom. So this is the gauge. Well, it goes like this. And then you take the thingy over there off in the corner, and then boom. But yeah, it's done just like they did in the video, and I'll put a link to that in the description. But this goes down here, and let's see, this goes into the OBD2. This is some Ethernet looking thing, so I'm pretty sure this goes into the control box. So this is the control box. Oh my god, it's hot in here. And I can't really turn it off because, what do you call it? There's music and a lot of noise out there, so just gotta deal with it. But boom, this is a control box. Boom, you plug the OBD2 thing in there. I mean the Ethernet cable thingy in there. And then you plug this in here. Doop. And then this is the boost thing. And that's where these go. So I'm pretty sure there's some space somewhere in there to route the boost line from the hood into here. But yeah, so you do that, zip tie them together, and then you put them all under there. I'm gonna do it, or I'm gonna start to do this whole thing and see what I can do and what I can't, and then if anything I'll just leave the rest exposed, and then I'll go to Jonathan at Axion Motorsports and I'll have him finish it up. But yeah, hopefully you guys see me, because it looks like the phone like turned itself. All right, so what you do is take down this thing, and you see this panel right there. I'm gonna see if I can get how it's right here, and that little hole, you poke something flat through it or sharp, and then you push the boost tube up there with like a wire hanger or something. So I cut a wire hanger, and then yeah, I'll put the link to the video as well. And then once you pop it through, you just have to stick your hand down here and then pull it through, and then boom, the line is out. So we'll continue. Here is where I put the T inside of the boost thing. So I'm going to turn the car on and see if it works before I button everything up. something. Okay, so there we go. Let's see what it is doing. Boost. Okay, so it's in vacuum right now. And then I'm gonna have to wait until it warms up a little before I rev it and test it, so I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. Alright. Let's see. DCT. What? I guess I gotta figure this out. Well, guess we gotta figure that out. So this is the finished product, nice and clean, and you know, la-di-da-di, la-di-da-di. Beautiful. All right, let's test it out. Coolant 198, speed 0, battery 13.9. Let's try this. Pretty accurate too. Space. This is throttle. Let me make some space. ratio. And hopefully you guys can see what's on the screen. I know it's quite a bit. What do you call it? What's the word? There's like a reflection. Let's see what else is on here. 0 to 60, I'll test that in a second. Zero to 60. I won't really be able to test this properly, but let me see. What the fuck? That's cute. Well, I'll test the 0 to 60 without recording it, and then I'll get back to you. But yeah, I'm done for now. I'm gonna test it again at night, so it'll be tomorrow's upload. I'm gonna double upload today, so the driving video and then the first test and unboxing and whatnot. So yeah, get to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.